Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. My name is Mikaria. And today's video ay ituturo ko kung paano malalaman kung verified na ba ang iyong YouTube channel. So, una, punta tayo sa Google Chrome. And then type natin YouTube Studio. Ayan. And then next, click natin to. YouTube Studio. And then, kasi mobile phone yung ginagamit natin, so i-stop site muna natin guys. So, click natin to. Ayan. And then, this stop site. And then, click natin to, ito, yung parang circle. Click natin yan. And then, click natin yung channel. And then, next, yung feature eligibility. Click natin yan. And then, next, click natin tong enable. Ito. Click natin yan. And then next, click natin yung verified phone number. Click natin yan. And then, click natin yung learn more. Learn more, ayan. So, next guys, yan ang lumabas. So, ito naman, i-click natin yung to verify your channel. Click natin yan. And then, click natin yung ito, just once. Ayan. Your YouTube account has been verified. So, verified na ako guys. So, that's how you know on how to know that your channel is verified. So, ayan guys. Continue natin. So, ayan guys. Ganun lang kadali. So, ayan guys. Ganun lang kadali guys. Thank you for if you learned something from me today. And so, mahalo. Bye.